Hello students, 12th standard computer application. So in this video, you have to learn chapter 1 multimedia and desktop publishing. So the next concept 1.7 application of multimedia. Applications of multimedia. So the last video you have to learn the multimedia team production members. So just you have to recall it. So now you have to learn the next concept 1.7 applications of multimedia. So the multimedia is the most fast growing area in the field of IT, like information technology field. It is an application which has in its use collection of multiple media sources like text, image, audio, animation and video. So mostly we have to use these kinds. So especially the multimedia mainly used in two fields. First one entertainment and education. So entertainment and education are the fields where multimedia is used in majority. So the applications of multimedia, the fast growing area in the field of information technology. So mostly moreover we have to use it in the main majority for entertainment and education. So some of applications like that: education, entertainment, business system, medical services, public places and multimedia conferencing. So mostly the multimedia using education, entertainment, business system, medical services, public places and multimedia conferencing meeting. Okay, so let us see. So education. So in the education field, what is the important in multimedia usage? So multimedia plays a vital role in offering an excellent alternative method to traditional teaching by allows the students to explore and learn various concepts through animation. So multimedia plays an vital, like an important role. Vital means like important role in offering an excellent alternative method to traditional teaching. And another one, multimedia based teaching and learning system named as Modulo. Multimedia based teaching and learning system, like the name of the based multimedia teaching and learning system like Modulo. So Modulo at a GMU in German developed in a web-based environment that aim to provide the students with flexible and decentralized learning environment based on their educational background. So listen. So multimedia, the basic teaching and learning system. First, the Germany, CMU, Germany developed the Modulo. The main usage, students with flexible and decentralized learning environment based on their educational background. In our country, like in India, multimedia is used in different ways. Multimedia used in different ways for teaching and learning. The teaching and learning field, the multimedia using the different way like e-learning, distance education, like the correspondent education, you know. So like the different way teaching learning like e-learning, distance education and virtual learning. In India, multimedia is used in different ways for teaching and learning. For example, e-learning, distance learning and virtual learning. In our country, EduCat, like educational satellite, EduCat expansions like educational satellite is launched in India for serving the educational sector. In our country, the multimedia like EduCat is launched to educational sector, and Germany Modulo, CMA company developed in Germany, Modulo is based on educational multimedia, educational teaching and learning system. In India, EduCat like educational satellite. So the application of multimedia in the field of education like traditional teaching by the students, flexible and decentralized learning environment, e-learning, distance learning, like the next one, the next application of multimedia like entertainment. So entertainment mean like this technology is needed in all mode of entertainment. This technology is needed in all mode of entertainment like radio, TV, online gaming, videos on demand, etc. So video on demands like movie on demand is a service that provides movies to television set on individual basis at home, like set-top box, Sun Director, Tata Indicom, so like and all. So movies are stored in central server and transmitted through a communication network. Movies are stored in central server, Sun TV, Vijay TV. So just you remember that. So this kind of field are using the multimedia concept. So movies are stored in central server and transmitted through the communication network. So example, set-top box connected to the communication network convert the digital information to analog signal and inputs it to the television set. So entertainment means like radio, TV, online gaming, video on demand on. So mostly the entertainment like movies. We are watching movie on the television. And next one, business system. So business, it include the presentations like training, internet protocols and so on. Business system include presentation, training, internet protocols and so on. So the marketing and advertising agency are using animation techniques for sales promotion. So most of the companies are using the advertisement. GRT Jewels, Saravana Stores. So the familiar business. So business system, it include the presentation, training, internet protocols, so online shopping. So the marketing and advertisement agency are using animation techniques for sales promotion. Cell phones and personal digital assistant with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi communication technology make multimedia communication for business more efficient. So mostly the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and BDA is the helper of multimedia to use business system. Cell phone or PDA, already you know the PDA, personal digital assistant. So mobile, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth are the helping device to communicate the people and advertising the business system. And fourth one, medical services. So medical students practice surgery method via simulation prior to actual surgery. So medical services. Medical students practice. So more of them, the medical students are practicing their surgery systems using multimedia. And fifth one, public place. So public place like railway station, airline, medical shop, museum, malls, hotel, bank, exhibition like and all. So the public place like multimedia is available in many public places. Many public places like trade shows, big shop, libraries, railway station, museums, malls, airports, bank, hotel, and exhibition in the form of kiosk. So kiosk is example of ATM machine. So the application of multimedia like the public place, big shop, library, railway station, museum, malls, airport, bank, hotel and exhibition. And then next one, the information presented in kiosks are enriched with the animation, video, still pictures, graphics, diagram, maps, audio and text. Dear students, here kiosk that means is a touch screen process. If we want to get money means like we have to using the credit card or ATM machine, just you have to put the card, we have to just touch the screen, the process automatically going on. So that is the meaning of kiosk. So kiosk that means the information presented. If you enter the debit card or credit card in the ATM machine means just you have to press like any information. If you want to withdraw means just you have to press in touch screen. So kiosk means touch screen process. Best example like ATM machine, otherwise the railway station. You want to get the ticket means just you have to use the touch screen process. And the last one, multimedia conferencing. So conference meeting, on the spot live meeting also we have to using multimedia concept. Last one, multimedia conferencing. So multimedia conferencing or video. So conferencing is a system that performs face-to-face, interaction among participating users located far from each other. So most of them in foreign or IT field mostly used in the multimedia conference meeting. Other country also link in our country using the multimedia conference meeting application. So just you have to recall. So the application of multimedia, mostly we have to use the multimedia concept, entertainment and education field. So education like the Germany company used modulo concept. Germany in developed GMU developed in modulo. In our country India using EduCAD, educational satellite. So entertainment means we have to using radio, television, online gaming, video game like and all. So like we have to imagine in our set-top box or Sun Direct. And business system means big shop. Business system, they want to publish their advertisement. The big shop, mall, like. And public place, just you have to remember airport, bank, hotels, museum, library, like and all. And medical service, the medical students, they have to practice their Jersey method. Medical students, they have to practicing their surgery processing using in the multimedia concept. And multimedia conferencing means face-to-face interaction, interaction, the meeting call. So see the application of multimedia. So the application of multimedia, 6 places: education, entertainment, business system, medical services, public places and multimedia conferencing. So education like e-learning, distance learning. Just you have to remember education means e-learning and distance learning in our country. In GME in Germany developed in modulo concept. In India developed EduCat. Entertainment. So the mainly entertainment, movies are stored in central server and transmitted through the communication networks. Set-top box. Example, set-top box. So entertainment means you have to write just radio, TV, online gaming, video on demand on. And the important point, one movie stored in central server and transmitted through the communication network. And business system. So the business system mainly we have to transfer the information like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and cell phones, BDA like and all. Mainly they want to advertise their companies. Marketing and advertising agents are using animation technique for sales promotion. So medical students practice their surgery method. Public means ATM machine, airport, railway station, bank, hotel, exhibition, museum, like conferencing means it's a video, multimedia conferencing or video. So conferencing is a system that perform face-to-face interaction. That is very important. Multimedia conferencing means face-to-face interaction among the participation user located far from each other. So this is very important for this concept. Multimedia conferencing or video means face-to-face interaction among participating users located far from each other. So dear student, so moreover the chapter 1, this is the last concept of application of multimedia is a last concept in your book. So please refer in chapter 1. You have to preparing the assignment because you learn the different concept of multimedia in chapter 1. So just you have to write the assignment. What are the components in multimedia? Just you have to remember that. What are the components? Text, image, audio, video and animation. So just you have to refer in your book and you have to write the assignment. And second one, explain the different types of file formats in multimedia. So the different file format like text file, image file, audio file, video file, you know. So text mean what kind of text, audio file, what are the different types of audio file, what are the different types of image, GIF, JPEG, PNG. So just you have to remember that and you have to refer in your book and write the assignment. And explain in detail about the production team. The before video you have learned the multimedia production and multimedia production team members. So what are the role for their team members? So like the manager role, the script writer, scripter, editor, computer architect. So their responsibility, what are they? So you have to write and explain the detailed technique of animation. So the different types of animation like path animation, frame animation. So just you have to refer in your book, otherwise you have to watch in my video and you should write the assignment. And the last one, explain in details application of multimedia. In this video you have to refer it, otherwise you have to refer in your book. So kindly I request you to prepare the assignment for chapter 1, component of multimedia, file formats in multimedia and multimedia production team roles and animation types and application of multimedia. Okay, so I hope you are all do best. So prepare well. Thank you.